Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today I'm checking out the Maono PD200W wireless dynamic microphone. So this one I'm using right now is a Maono. A big fan. I've been using this for years, but I don't use this for when I do voiceovers on my computer. So right on top we have some instructions, like quick setup guide. Here we have a receiver. So just like the one I have in my phone that I'm using right now, basically this little guy plugs into your phone or wherever you're putting it into. Pretty small one there. All right, that is nice. We got the button here on top, the adjustment, the mute, one push mute. We got our USB-C, our on-off, our headphone jack, and this other audio jack right there. We got our cables, and then, oh wow, it's like cast iron. Got a burly little holding pad there. And I also got a Maono receiver. This is the additional one, so if you have like a Nikon or Canon camera or something like that, you can hook up the audio with this. Comes with more. And a little baggie for those things to put them in. It's pretty handy. Okay, wow, like this is probably a couple pounds there. Nice rubber on the bottom, so it's not gonna go anywhere. It's just gonna screw right in here. This has a, let's see this. Okay, we have a height adjustment. And just tighten that onto there. And there we have it. There's our microphone. We can adjust this. We want it a little bit like that. It'd be cool for like podcasting. You hook up a couple on there. This goes down any further, just like that. We do have the volume dial up here though, and that can just be turned up or down. We have the mute. I'm going to hit the mute right now. Okay, just one touch mute, hit it. Probably couldn't hear me. I'm just assuming. So I'm going to try this out, go a little bit. I'm going to just walk around and see how far away I can go and still pick this up. So right now I am walking into my kitchen, and just a little bit of background noise there with the fan. See if that was caught or not. There's the cat on the couch, and going into the bedroom now. So I'm on the other side of my house. There's 1, 2, 3, I think 4 or 5 walls in between us. I'm still just talking normally. All right, now I'm returning. There was a little bit of fan background noise in there too. See if we can hear that or not. Slam the door here, not slam it, but see how well that's picked up. And we are back. So if it's pointing over here, it's a little less than focusing right here. So I'm going to start this vacuum cleaner. And I don't know what this sounded like, but I'm going to go back and listen. Now we'll try out the noise canceling. So there's the button on top right here. We'll press it for 3 seconds, hold it down. And it turns green, and then you can adjust how much of noise cancellation there is. So by turning the knob. So the brighter is, the higher the noise cancellation. And we can see it changing color there. Okay, so that's the greener the light, the higher the noise cancellation. So we're gonna just put this on low, and we'll try the vacuum cleaner. All right. So I got the vacuum cleaner on in the corner. Now I'll turn on my noise cancellation. Okay, and that's on low. That's like a little bit higher, a little higher. And that's like full on noise cancellation there. So yeah, we'll just listen back to the video and see how well that's doing, because that's really loud with the vacuum cleaner going there. Okay, my friends, well, final thoughts on this microphone as I'm doing the voiceover with the microphone right now. So the quality is excellent, probably the best sounding microphone I have reviewed so far. I'm definitely going to be using this on all my voiceovers. I connected it to my phone, was no problem. Just plug in the little transmitter, hold down the power button, that comes on, and it should be synced automatically from the factory, so no issues there. If it isn't synced up, you can hold down the power button for 6 seconds and it'll begin flashing the light, and it should just hook up then once you plug it in. Worked great on my phone, worked great on my PC. I didn't have a different camera to try it out on, but I'm assuming it'll work great on that as well. I like the one touch mute. I like that you can change the RGB lighting. This is an excellent microphone. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to link it in the description below. Thanks for watching this video.